Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today we are doing a very quick swatch comparison between a $29 lip liner and a $5 lip liner. And these are, as you can tell from the title, is the first of all, the expensive one is the Mcgrath Labs. Okay, we're talking luxury here. It's called the Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in the shade Structure, which is a mid-tone nude. And this is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner in the shade Keep It Spicy. Get some swatches on my hand while waiting for them to dry out. We are going to talk about the description and how they are intended to be used, and then we will do a smudge test to see which one is more long lasting once they have a little bit of time to dry out. And then we're going to do a demonstration. I'm going to put on my lips the winner of the two, the least smudgy ones. Try out a new, well, not new, but new to me, makeup trend, and I'm gonna kind of show you at the same time how to make my lips look fuller and juicier. That is kind of the sign of youth, right? When you see a juicy, plump lips, it just looks more youthful, and that's not what's going on, so we'll fix that. Make sure you click that like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so that you never miss out on my future videos. I hope you are doing well. Let's get started. First of all, let's do Mcgrath. This is going to come with a sharpener, so you have to sharpen it. But let's swatch it right now. Okay, let me make sure it's intense. Absolutely beautiful. I don't usually do it like this. I put it on my lips and then it does give me a little bit of playtime so I can smudge it out and make it look less like one line and blend it out a little bit. And then I find that it stays put really, really well. Well, it's almost $30, so it better work. So LA Girl, this one is super affordable. I remember I bought this like 2 years or even 3 years ago. I don't remember at this point, but it was like $3 or something back then. So let's give it a swatch. I'm going to do it underneath the, see? Messy. Oh my god, look how similar they are. This is the LA Girl, the new one. Time to get our detective glasses on. Okay, now that I look at these a little bit closely, the LA Girl has more warmth in the shade, whereas the Mcgrath, the one on top, is a completely pink tone, rosy tone, cool tone kind of shade, and this one has a little bit of a beigey or like warmth to it. It's the shade Structure, and it's currently out of stock, of course. This lip pencil sculpts, shades, and defines with a revolutionary formula. The soft texture smooths, fills, and shapes with ample playtime to smudge and diffuse before setting, and the exclusive Permagel technology prevents feathering for transfer-resistant lip luxury in matte and pearl finishes. So they have two different finish in this line. Of course, the one I choose is the matte version. And I have to say the Mcgrath lip liner, the description, as we know, is completely accurate. It gives me a little bit of playtime. It's very smooth. It's pigmented. But I can blend it out. And then after it sets, it's really, really stay there for a while. And of course, if you wipe your mouth with like a napkin or something, it's going to come off. But if you just leave it like that and be extremely careful and mindful of your makeup, it will last a long time. And okay, that's enough for that. Now it's LA Girl, blah, 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 blah. This one I like a lot from the beginning to now. From the time that I bought it, I actually really, really have been enjoying this product. First of all, it's extremely affordable. It is a twist up, so I don't need to sharpen or mess with anything. If it runs low, I just twist it up, and there's a lot of products in here. I use it on and off for a few years now, and it's still lasting and it's still fine. So let's see here. LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner defines lips with long-lasting color. The soft formula applies smoothly for smudge-proof and a matte finish lips. The benefits for this, the kind of like the selling points are it's soft and smudge-proof formula, long-lasting, anti-feathering, and retractable pencil. So they have very similar claims to one another as well. That's part of why I want to compare them side by side. Okay. Maybe I keep my glasses on for a bit because I can't see. And my hand, there's no primer or anything like that. It's just my skin. And this finger is dry, completely dry. So let's do a smudge and see which one lasts more. I feel the Pat McGrath one is a lot drier. The LA Girl, it feels like it has still a little bit of wetness, very, very minimal. So let's try one more time. I just cleaned my finger. Let's do it one more time. Let's be strong this time. Okay. I have to say they are pretty similar. For the smudge test, they are pretty much the same. If anything, the Pat McGrath might be a little bit more waterproof, a little bit more long-lasting. Let me show you what I just did just now. I kind of took this napkin and I go like this on both of them, and definitely the Pat McGrath is longer lasting, you guys. So yeah, look at that. Pat McGrath stays a little bit longer with the napkin. So there's the new update. If you stayed long enough in this video, bonus for you. But what I'm going to do is we're going to try a new makeup trend to me that I haven't really tried before to contour the lips and makes it extra juicy with this Pat McGrath lip liner. So first, what you are going to need is some kind of a whatever brush you have, makeup brush, eye brush, and a kind of a contour powder or a contour cream or whatever you have on hand. Here I have this, what is it called? Nudegasm Face Palette by Charlotte Tilbury. I have reviewed this on my channel, so check out that video. But what we're going to do is we're gonna create kind of like a shadow outside of the lip to use as a base for this makeup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this lightest shade right here on this brush, just enough of it, and I'm going to go outline of the lip very naturally. It kind of also depends on the shape of your lips, so you will just have to play with it a few times and see what works best for you. But for me, I find that for the bottom lip, I can go a little bit more intense with this. And if I make a mistake, I'll just like blend it out with my finger. And on the top lip, I find that I should only contour the tip here, because if I go this way, then it kind of, if I go on the side, because of the shape of my lips, it's gonna look a little strange. So let me show you what I mean. So what I do, see how it instantly gives me that illusion, and then I kind of blend it out, and then whatever is left, I'm gonna go on the side, but I'm not gonna do too much of that. Already create that illusion, right? And I can totally stop here and just put a lipstick or lip gloss on top and I would be fine, but we're taking it a step further today, and we're going to grab this beautiful lip color, lip liner, I mean, and we're gonna do the same thing. So basically on the top lip, I'm just going to extend the width of my lip on the top. And then on the side, I'm gonna stay within my natural lip line because I kind of like that, like the curve here. If I go other way, it's gonna look strange. And on my bottom lip, what I like to do is I'm going to extend on the lowest point here, and then on the side I'm going to stick with my lip line as well. Let me show you what I mean. I'm using here the Merit Beauty tinted lip oil in the shade Marrakech. I have a review for this product as well. I will link it below if I remember. But this is a tinted lip oil. It's very natural, and I just find that if it's a little bit glossier, it will look bigger. I definitely see a difference, and I'm pretty sure you can see it. But yeah, that's it for this video. In my conclusion, the new conclusion, depending on your budget, if you have the budget and if you are suffering with your lip liner keep smudging and doesn't stay in put, then I would say the Mcgrath is a better bet. If you're new to makeup, if you are on a budget, if you don't need something super luxury, super long lasting, you just kind of want a beautiful color and a decent lasting power and room to play, then the LA Girl lip liner is perfect. And if you're looking for a dupe for this color, the structure shade as well, look into LA Girl, because I find that with lip liner, a lot of times all the brands kind of have the same colors. And if you're someone like me who you blend your lip liner out quite a bit, you don't keep it as intense as the color from the pencil itself, you are going to get pretty similar results, if you know what I mean. It's kind of like eyeshadow. If you blend them out, then they kind of look more blended and similar to one another, versus like a swatch. You will be able to see the differences pretty easily. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.